Hello guys, I'm really happy with more energetic videos on machine learning using Python. Up till now we have gone through many videos on facial emotion recognition using image, using webcam and facial emotion recognition using DeepFace library, which is very popular library. Today we are going to see a video which is really interesting. I will be detecting facial emotion recognition using FAIR library with sentiment analysis. So we will go through the code. Here is the code, required libraries, then video class, then this part, then FAIR video, main means ending of the program. Now I will execute the program to show the sentiment analysis. Yes. Yes. First of all, happy. First of all, happy. Yes. Happy. Then sad, angry. Yes. Then sad. Then smiley. Yes, happy. Then surprise. It is little bit detecting, but surprise, I want to detect surprise. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Ah. Yes, it is. My face is not detecting properly. Yeah. Ah. Oh. 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 Sad, it is detecting. Then smiley is also detecting. Yes, happy. Then oh. Happy it is detecting. Okay. Okay, successfully done. Disgust is detecting. Yes, angry is detecting. Yes, yes. Successfully done with facial emotion recognition with sentiment analysis. Up till now we have seen many videos on facial emotion recognition, but here I have detected more sentiment analysis like disgust, angry, sad, happy, neutral. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.